My name's Mark. I primarily do the steel frame gates here at Walpole. I start right out with a steel frame that comes from our fab shop, which we try to make sure is to the right measurements that I've been given on my plans. Cut this top piece that was made on our CNC machine so that it fits right around the hinge. We have truss rods on a lot of these to keep them square while they're hung in the field. This gate's been manufactured with 2-inch galvanized steel. It's set up for an actuator arm, which is similar to a storm door arm with the piston. I take pictures of every gate that I've made. Pride in my work.